You've probably heard me say this before, but I think it's really important that entrepreneurs make that shift from customer value to shareholder value once they've got their business to a sort of stable position. One of the challenges with entrepreneurs is that just when they've kind of got everything in place, they like to shake everything up and change everything again. Well, your staff and your customers tend to find that that's a little bit frustrating. And also what you probably find is that you're shifting everything about just before you've given it a chance to be really, really successful. So entrepreneurs are great in that startup phase. They're great at taking those risks and doing those big changes. But once you've done that, you need to kind of move on to something else. And the thing that I recommend is doing deals. So focusing on creating shareholder value through joint ventures. So finding partners that can add huge amounts of value in one go to your business, or buying your competitors or buying your suppliers or customers so that you grow the business exponentially that way, or looking for exit opportunities, how you can sell the business. So joint ventures, mergers, acquisitions, exits should be your sort of daily routine, your day job, not staff, not customers, not product development or sales or any of the other things you might find you're being sucked into at the moment.